The Sierra Club defines sustainability as the responsible management of our environment for the well-being of our children's future. Here at the Hussmann Corporation, we have an ongoing internal awareness program to create a culture of green with our employees. Through this effort, we are promoting sustainable behaviors such as recycling our ink and toner cartridges and using packaging materials from inbound shipments for outbound shipments. We are also able to centrally control all of the thermostats for comfort and energy. We have installed energy-efficient windows, insulation in our outer walls to hold temperature, T5 fluorescents throughout the offices, motion sensors for office lights to automatically turn off and on, and LED accent lighting for visual images on walls. The Hussmann Corporation also encourages all of its employees to participate in ride-sharing programs to help reduce our carbon footprint on the planet.